Hey, it's a boy, your boy Electric. Go ahead, like and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to install an outlet. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to secure your green wire to your green screw. Now the cool thing about this outlet, it has a few small holes in the back of it. All you need to do is stick the wire right here and just tighten the screw, and it will secure that wire to the receptacle. So the first wire you're going to stick inside the outlet is a white wire. It goes to the silver screw. Then we get our black wire and we secure it to our gold screw. Alright, so now we secure the outlet to the wall. Now we just put a regular plastic cover over the outlet and just tighten.